Corrosion is one of the biggest threats to aircraft. ACF-50 is a simple, proven way to protect it with minimal effort. Moisture, salt, and contaminants attack your aircraft surfaces inside and out, so prevention is essential. ACF-50 penetrates deep into seams and joints, actively stopping existing corrosion and preventing it for up to 2 years. It's safe for airframes, avionics, wiring, and more. So how do you apply it? Spray it lightly with a hand sprayer for small areas. You can also use a fogging applicator for internal cabins. It spreads on contact and protects in even hard to reach areas. ACF-50 is a set it and forget it product. Spray it on lightly, no need to soak the surface. It spreads into seams, joints, and hidden corrosion-prone areas naturally. ACF-50 is available in many sizes and applications as you see here. It meets many mil and AMM requirements, and it's proven and trusted by pilots worldwide. Spray it on and your aircraft is shielded from corrosion inside and out.